All right, so for this question, what are the things that we know to be true? Well, it says the drama club is printing t-shirts for its members. The printing company charges a certain amount for each shirt plus a fee of $40. The equation T is equal to 7S plus 40 represents the total cost of the shirt for its members. Use the equation T is equal to 7S plus 40 to determine S, the number of members in the drama club, if the total cost to print the t-shirts for the club is $187. So as usual, I like to start out with just highlighting important information. So there is a startup fee that is $40. The equation that gives us the total cost is seen there. T is equal to 7S plus 40. S in this context represents the number of students or members in the club. And again, they told us that the total cost to print these shirts was $187. So not only do I like to write it, highlight main ideas, but I also like to write them out. So what are some things that I know to be true for this situation? I know there's a startup fee of $40. I know that the total cost to print these shirts was equal to $187. And I know that we need to find S. That's the unknown thing. So as usual, let's start with the original equation, which is T is equal to 7S plus 40. T represents total cost. In this case, we know that total cost is 187. So let's set that equal to our equation, which is 7S plus 40. If we are going to solve for S, which is the number of students, that's what we want to find. Our aim is to get that by itself on one side of our equation. So we have to get rid of all the terms that are on the same side as that S. So we start by using inverse operations by subtracting 40 from both sides, which means on the left side we're just going to be left with 7S, and when we take 40 from 187 we're going to be left with 147. We now have 147 is equal to 7S. Remember, our aim was to get that S by itself. So 7S, what does that mean? It means 7 times S. We're going to do the inverse of multiplication, which is division. So we're dividing by 7. Oh, get out of the way. On both sides. That gives us S on the right side only and 21 on the left side. So what do we know to be true in this situation? We've solved it. Yes, we know that S is 21. So what does that mean in the context of this problem? It means that there were 21 students or members in the drama club for shirts. Printing the shirts to cost $187.